So you can pretty much tell from the photos, if I've already posted these before, that you can find anything on a branch in the jungle. You just have to look, and that has to be the most beautiful snake I've seen. I have seen a rainbow boa before, but more of a brown with black spots and the rainbow colour under here. But that there is beautiful. I don't know what species it is, I'll go check. But yeah, completely harmless to me. That's a constrictor. I can tell by the scales and I can tell by the head. She's also asleep, which is really cute. But yeah, just sat there. I'm just on a trail I've cut, and yeah, I just happened to see a red thing. I was looking for the monkeys, and there she was, just sat there. It's beautiful, red, white, some kind of boa constrictor. And yeah, I'll Google it when I get back and see what I can find.